sell their crop before the import is allowed into this country.
Away from that, the Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Services, KEPHIS, has raised serious concerns over the proposed Seeds and Plant Varieties Amendment Bill 2025 currently before the Senate. According to KEPHIS, the bill introduces a parallel seed registration system under the Kenya Bureau of Standards, which could cause confusion among farmers over which agency is responsible for seed certification. KEPHIS warns that this move will undermine its legal mandate and compromise the government's ability to guarantee farmers access to quality-assured seeds. The agency also fears that the bill may be influenced by powerful cartels seeking to weaken regulatory controls for their own commercial gain.
This bill will bring a lot of confusion because it's the same seed, a certified seed being regulated by KEPHIS, standard seeds by KEBS. So the unscrupulous traders might use that gap to start selling fake seed to farmers, which will reduce the yield and lead to food insecurity.
It is not fair to remove some functions from the competent authority to go and develop another authority where the competent authority, KEPHIS, is there that represents Kenya in the international forum, in the seed scheme systems, OECD, in IPPC, and these other places. So please let us protect what we have.
Now, the tarmacking of 9 kilometers Kagumo-Kiamaina Gateway